Good morning, students. How are you all? I think all of you are fine. Today we are going to study about animals and birds. So, let's start our topic. First of all, we talk about birds. Birds are called winged creatures. They can fly in the sky. They have two wings, two legs, and one beak. Some birds fly very high. Some examples are look at this picture. This is a duck. This is a sparrow. This is a peacock. This is a crane. This is a eagle. This is a parrot. Let's we talk about animals. There are many animals around us. These animals are of different colors, shapes, and sizes. The word animal includes a variety of living creatures. Who are they? Let's find out. Kinds of creatures. All animals have four legs, two ears, and one tail. Some animals have horns. Some animals are big and huge, while some are small. Let's we talk about land animals. Some examples are this is a zebra. This is a giraffe. This is a elephant. This is a cheetah. This is a tiger. This is a leopard. This is a bear. This is a lion. Let's we talk about water animals. Water animals are those animals which live in water. They cannot live outside the water. Fish lives in water. The fish has scales, fins, gills, and a tail. There are a variety of water animals. So, let's talk about them. Some examples are: this is a shark. This is a starfish. This is a octopus. Let's we talk about insects. Insects are very small creatures. All insects have 6 legs. They usually have 2 pairs of wings. Some examples are: this is a bee. This is a ant. This is a mosquito. This is a cockroach. This is a butterfly. This is a grasshopper. Let's we talk about reptiles. The reptiles crawl on the ground. Some have short legs while some have none. They are cold-blooded creatures. Some examples are: this is a Komodo dragon. This is a snake. This is a chameleon. This is a lizard. Let's we talk about amphibians. Those animals which can live both on land and water are called amphibians. Some examples are: this is a crab. This is a crocodile. So, Today we talk about animals. I think you all have enjoyed this lesson. Today you learn about different types of animals. I think that you all have understand all about animals. So bye and take care all of you.